Well, we now know that the Z Fold 7 is the world's thinnest foldable, pretty much officially. But so we could test it for ourselves, we got all of the candidates and put them against each other. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. I want to give a big shout out to our Shorts and TikTok creator, Max Jambor, who got all these devices together, bought himself the little caliper reading, I guess you could say, or the measurement tool, and actually did all the tests for us and sent me the footage to put this together for you. What we had to do was, I guess, establish which devices were telling the truth with their measurements and which ones were lying, and whether they were lying and made their devices sound better, or whether they actually made the devices sound worse and they actually are better than what they reported. We're going to find out. First, let's meet the devices that we've got here. Of course, we have the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Samsung candidate, but alongside the Z Fold 7, we had the Oppo Find N5, we had the Honor Magic V5, take note of that one, and we had the Vivo X Fold 5. When you look at them in hand, it's really hard to tell. Obviously, we've got matter of millimeters, half a millimeter difference between them, even just by eye. But when you do start holding them next to the Fold 7, you start to sort of notice that the Fold 7 actually looks thinner just by eye. So it's going to be very interesting to see what the measurements sort of state when we actually use the caliper reading. First, I want to talk through each device and what they are claiming. So, the Honor Magic V5, the first one, the one that's probably the most in question at the moment, they are claiming to be the world's thinnest. And they claim it to be 8.8 millimeters thin when it's closed, but only for the white color. The other colors are apparently 9 mil. I don't know how that works out. And then unfolded, they say it's 4.1 millimeters. Okay, cool. We'll test that. Then we've got the Oppo Find N5, which up until recently was claiming to be the world's thinnest foldable. And their measurements were saying folded 8.93 millimeters, unfolded 4.21 millimeters. Then we got the Vivo X Fold 5. This one isn't really claiming to be the world's thinnest, and their measurements, at least what they're telling us, kind of show us that. They're saying folded is 9.2 millimeters, but only for the titanium gray variant. Again, I don't know how a color changes the thickness, and their other colors are slightly thicker at 9.7 when they're closed. Unfolded, you got 4.3 millimeters on the titanium gray and 4.55 on the other color. Then there's the Z Fold 7, which is claiming to be 8.9 millimeters when it's closed and 4.2 when it's open. Something tells me though that Samsung are actually overestimating the thickness, at least based on what I'm about to tell you. So starting with the Vivo X Fold 5. All of them are 5 except for the 7, because we're 2 generations ahead, let's remember that. Vivo X Fold 5 actually measures in at 9.73 millimeters folded using the caliper reading. And then unfolded, it's 4.46 millimeters thick in that sort of unfolded state. Okay, thicker than what they claimed. Oppo Find N5. Remember, these guys were claiming to be the world's thinnest at one point at 8.93. Well, actually, according to the caliper reading that we took, 9.01 millimeters thick when closed and 4.28 when open. Then there's the Honor. This is the one probably everyone's been waiting for, as there's been a lot of ads and a lot of words being thrown around that Samsung's thicker. Let's find out. The Magic V5. Folded. They claim 8.8 with the white color, which is the color we have. In actual fact, our measurements are showing it 9.14 millimeters thick when it's closed. That's not the same number as 8.8, not at all, not even close. Unfolded, they're a little closer, it's 4.35, but still, that folded one doesn't make it the world's thinnest. Well, we haven't measured the Samsung one yet. Then we go on to the Fold 7. Samsung's claims were 8.9 millimeters closed, 4.2 when open. In actual fact, the Fold 7 when closed is 8.66 millimeters thin. Drastic difference to the Honor Magic V5 and all the other ones. Unfolded, it's a little closer. You've got 4.18 which is pretty much bang on what they said at 4.2. These measurements were done a couple of times, so if the video is showing you a different number, there is a different video in our shorts that'll show you the official one, but they're the numbers, which is pretty crazy. Just for fun, we also wanted to measure it with the camera bump, because obviously these foldables have got better flagship cameras now, so you need to know how thick the camera bump adds, even though you're not holding that camera bump. Still nice to know. Well, the Oppo Find N5 came in at the thinnest with the camera bump at 13.61 millimeters. The Fold 7 was next at 14 flat millimeters, which is actually thinner than the original Fold without the cameras. Crazy. Then you got the Vivo X Fold 5, which was 15.01 millimeters with the camera bump, and the Honor Magic V5 with that camera bump, 16.1. So, what we can categorically see is that with all the measurements that we've done, with all the foldables that we got, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the world's thinnest book-style folding phone. So where does that leave us? Basically, it just means that you now probably can't trust what some of these brands are saying, that their marketing and their measurements that they are putting out there are heavily skewed to suit whatever narrative they're trying to spin. I think Samsung are being conservative. There's probably a part of the phone that's raised ever so slightly that makes it 8.9 millimeters thick. But in actual fact, the real part that sort of makes the most impact in your hand is 8.66 millimeters. You can really tell when you're just looking at the phones next to each other that there was something slightly thicker. Something I noticed actually looking at the footage was that the Magic V5's hinge looked thicker than the Fold 7's hinge. And it's crazy, in all their marketing material, they never showed their hinge side on, they always showed it the other way. And part of that is probably because they've got the curved sort of edges of the glass meeting the frame on the opening side versus the hinge, which doesn't have that. That would make it look thicker. So let us know in the comments what you think about this news, whether you're surprised by it. I'm not surprised by it. I think just looking at the measurements, they're all incredibly thin foldables. The thing is, you don't need to lie or make things up to suit a narrative in your marketing to advertise thin foldables. They're all thin. It's just now that you've claimed it and we've tested it, we had to say that your claim was incorrect. Sorry. Big thanks again to Max for going and measuring all these devices for us and giving it over to you guys to take a look at and peruse. Go follow us on our TikTok. Max uploads there regularly. He also uploads shorts here as well. So great to have him as part of the team. Go check out and read this on our website as well. Our team are also putting articles out there about this, so you can go read about that too. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.